Let's make kake musubi. Kakeru means something like to hook. Also put on. Say, example, if you wanna put the jacket onto the hanger, that's kakeru. And also, if you want to put a hanger onto the rail, that's kakeru, to hook. Okay. So this is kake musubi because it's just hooked. So this is kake musubi, and that's kake musubi. That's the crown parts. And also this flower is a kake musubi, made from kake musubi. Let's start. Make the cord softer. And usually we start from the middle, but for this kake musubi, we start from left hand side. Make an upside down loop, teardrop shape, like this movement. See that movement? So make a loop and hold here so that the intersection doesn't move. Then long end goes into the loop just you made from the front. From the front, then coming back from the back, and the big loop you just made. Pull like that. The smaller version of this is the petals. And if you do one more, okay, so the end goes into the last loop from the front, and coming back, the one you just made a big loop from the back. So that's 3 ones. So the crown part here, that's the 3 ones. The middle one is a little bit larger, and the both sides is a little bit smaller. You can keep going, or if you want to make something like peach flower or plum flower blossom, make 4 loops. Make a loop, this kind of movement, so that they hold here like this, that, so that upside down loop, and then the cord in your right hand goes on top of the other one. Then make 4 petals. Goes from the front, coming back from the back to the big one you just made. Do it again. From front, this side, and come back toward you. One more. So now I have 4 loops, which is the petals. And then to make the fifth one, the long end goes back to the first petal, first loop from your side, from front, and put a cord. And then make the fifth petal goes back to the fourth one from the front. Then the big loop you just made coming back from behind, and then can you see this little ones, the little rectangular or whatever shape here? Oops. Goes in here from the front. And I do it again, the fifth one. So 4 petals goes back to the first one from the front, all the way. Just pull, then make a fifth petal, goes into the fourth one from the front, coming back from behind to the big loop, fifth petal you just made, and then goes into this space from the front and pull. So something like this. Five petals. You can use like that, or this one, come back from behind, somewhere, something like this space, closed space, come back from behind, and another one coming back from the other side. I mean the same, but yeah, 180 degree or somewhere like that. Then make knot. Here I used mamusubi, so the right hand side one goes on top of the left one, coming back from behind through the wall, through the loop, and then the left one goes on top of the right one. There is another video, it's called mamusubi, so you can see how to do it. Then cut. Kakemusubi flower. This one too, kakemusubi. It's a little bit hard to see, but the two loop, and this one has the gap, but if you make another one next to the first one, from the left to the end of the cord. It's gonna be like that, and just glue it here. 掛け結び